Welcome to Dayspring Trailer. Today we are looking at a brand new Cargo King Nomad. This is a 5x8 that we put some options on. It first of all is finished in beautiful charcoal gray. It's a ramp door. It's sitting on a 3,500 pound axles. Let's walk and take a look at this beautiful trailer. First, I want to point out this vent here. That's a cross vent. We'll talk about more of that inside. It's a V-nose, which is not part of the 8-foot length. This is some extra space there. The beautiful diamond plate on front. The door, let me close it here. It's got a man door with a nice secure bar lock opening up. Easy access inside. We're going to rock around back. I have the ramp door down right now, so we can take a look at it. Nice size ramp door. I can walk inside here, no problem. First, I want to point out the LED dome light. It's got 4 of these heavy duty D-rings. Actually, they're light duty D-rings. Tied on your bikes, your ATVs, or whatever. This is that vent I was pointing out. There's one up high here, and there's one low back here. Those are called cross vents. They're designed to move air through your trailer 365 days a year. You know, it's moist around here. We want to keep it nice and fresh inside. Let me show you how this ramp door closes. Simple 2 fingers. It practically pulls it out of your hand with the spring assist. And boom, you latch it with this. Step back so you can see the back of the close. I want to point out nice big LED lights here all the way around the trailer are LED lights. And down low here, it's got a pair of these drop jacks. You notice I walked inside of it and didn't pop up on me. That's because I had my jacks down. So those are a great feature of the trailer. If you have questions about this trailer or any other trailer, we specialize in custom ordering different colors, different options, different lengths, sizes, heights. You name it, we can do it for you. We specialize in that. Reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or call us at 503-666-7300. I might mention we're a full service department and a parts department, and our service and parts is open on Saturday. Thanks for looking and have a wonderful day.